Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 8th, 2022. This is going to be a Bitcoin emergency update. You all can see right now on my chart that Bitcoin is now trading under $40,000, even amidst all of the economic turmoil that's going on, geopolitical turmoil that's going on across the globe today. Bitcoin is still going down in price. Well, don't worry about it because I got you. We're going to look at the price chart to make sure whether or not Bitcoin is going to be able to maintain its current price levels, or will it continue to fall, or can we actually start to see the price go up? Now, before I start all of this, welcome to the channel. Yeah, this is what I do. I make sure that we pay attention to try to get the edge in the markets just by simply looking at the price chart. You don't need anything else to try to figure out what the market is trying to do. So welcome to the channel. If you guys appreciate my price predictions, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. You're not going to get no easier than this, than someone being here, plotting their price predictions on the price chart without the confusion. This is the edge that we have as retail investors, traders, against everybody else who has these massive algorithms to try to trade for them or have some insider knowledge or information as to where price is trying to go. We need to be paying attention to what they're doing. And it's on the price chart. So you guys can see that it wasn't long ago. I did a video on the 1st of March, 2022, and I was playing the strength into the market in Bitcoin. So I'm gonna keep it real. Everything is still here on the price chart. You guys can see that this is the day that I was looking for the price in Bitcoin to go up. Now, this is the reason why, okay? On this particular day, the 28th of February, we saw a very widespread movement higher in Bitcoin. This is fantastic. This tells us that the overall majority of the market wanted to bring up Bitcoin's price, but it wasn't sustained. The buyers left the market, because if that was the case, we would not have seen the price immediately come back down the next day, the 1st, the 2nd, and then we completely fell off a cliff following that time frame. So it tells you that the buyers are not here. It tells you that they're not willing to continue to increase the price in Bitcoin. Now, when I zoom out, that could literally mean one thing. This whole area right here, okay, that we're seeing this massive consolidational trading range, it's the market accumulating. It's the market buying within this range because it knows in the long term that Bitcoin's price is going to be way more valuable than what it is today. And then not only that, Bitcoin is still able to maintain its trend. We're still seeing this price trade above this long-term ascending line, which is still fantastic. So even though the price has gone down in Bitcoin, all is not lost, because the market participants are still here buying up Bitcoin, just not as high as what it was when price was above $40,000. All right. So let me see though, because what if I told you, if I switch over the time frame on this chart, and we may still see some continued weakness to where Bitcoin may actually come back down and test this ascending line. Okay, let me show it to you. This is going to be on the 3 weeks time frame. All right, so look at this. Okay, so you all can see that even amidst some of the weakness that's going on in the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin is not necessarily giving us that much weakness. This is fantastic for us to be trading all the way up here around $40,000. And this market is still able to uphold its momentum. The momentum is not losing itself in Bitcoin as of this particular moment. This is great. This is fantastic because it continues to give us the purview of the long-term horizon that Bitcoin is still a viable asset, especially amidst everything that's going on in the world. This is fantastic for us to be taking note of. If I were to draw this, I want you all to see what's going on in the market in Bitcoin. We're just seeing this market really bounce in between 64,000, possibly all the way back down to $32,000. That's great because it's giving us ample amount of opportunity ourselves to come in and accumulate this cryptocurrency before the market shoots up higher. Now, right now from the 3 weeks time frame, the buyers came in on this last completed 3 weekly price bar. When you see this on the weekly time frame, this is where the weakness is coming through though. That we may see the price in Bitcoin come all the way back down to this trend right here. Okay, so even though it seems as if I got into my price prediction of looking Bitcoin to go up, I still suspect that this coin is still going to go up in price. So let me go ahead and take this out first. Okay, You guys can see that the market did come down to an ultimate area of support, which literally I told you, if the market still trades and we still see the buyers coming around $37,000, we're still looking for the price in Bitcoin to go up. We are. And the market hasn't given us that weakness just yet. So the market is going to do something like this. This is the current idea that we're looking for the market in Bitcoin to do, right? Is this going to take us longer for Bitcoin to come into our profit area? That's what it's meaning. So even though we saw the price completely fall off the cliff, we're still showing buyers coming into the levels that I talked about on March the 1st. It's still here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do though is I'm going to lower the support area, because given how fast the price fell in Bitcoin after I concluded my last price prediction, obviously it's letting me know that I need to lower the support area. So I'm going to bring it down here towards this ascending line, right? I'm going to bring it down there towards $36,000. Now, what we're showing you on this time frame is literally the market in Bitcoin consolidating, okay? A very wide range of consolidation of trading. We're noticing that the market is giving us two tops, right? And it's also giving us two bottoms. This is the consolidational trading range. This is where the market is accumulating Bitcoin. Now, looking at those two curvatures that I've created on the chart, you guys can actually tell that the market towards the bottom is actually trending up higher, right? Just like these tops is trending up higher as well. So the market actually is still in a bullish trend. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to continue to keep my price prediction on the table. Okay. I'm not going to get rid of it. I do understand that the weakness is still into the market for Bitcoin at this particular moment, but I'm going to continue to hold out. Basically what I'm showing is that this market is not really trying to push Bitcoin down. We're not seeing that yet. Okay. Now this is the 5-day time frame. This is weakness. So we are acknowledging that the market is weak, but it's not weak to the point where I need to alter my price prediction, because if I expected the market to break this trend, then yes, I'm coming back in and showing you all that the overall weakness is still strong and that the market is going to continue to go lower. And we do not want to see the market break this trend though. Under no pretenses, we do not want to see Bitcoin's price break this ascending line, because if it does, we're coming back down to 32. And just like the market loaded up around $32,000 back here in May of 2021, July 2021, this is the next opportunity to come back in and start buying up the market, because this is where the market came in and held prior support. It's just that simple. So we got two things I wanted you all to pay attention to. The first thing is looking for Bitcoin's price to hold this trend. Let's say for instance it doesn't, then look for the market to come all the way back down to 32 to possibly even $30,000. If the buyers come in at around $30,000, then like I said, this is the buying opportunity, because the market's going to let us know whether or not they're buying or not. And if they're buying, we'll definitely tell based off the volume that is coming in on the price chart. If the market does not buy at $30,000, $32,000, then we're going to continue to go lower to 28. So I'm trying to give you all the play on what to be on the lookout for as this market continues to trade throughout the month of March. Okay, so I'm not going to change it yet. I'm still going to look forward to the market in Bitcoin to continue to shoot up higher price. I'm still looking for the market to try to hold this trend, but I have a plan as to what to do if the market does not. All right, so just wanted to come in and give everyone an update as to what I'm noticing on the price chart. My prior price prediction is still here. I'm not changing it. It's going to remain here until the market in Bitcoin breaks this ascending line, all right, to the downside. So now, has anything changed in your analysis? Because if so, drop a comment real quick and show everyone what your new thought processes are regarding Bitcoin and where it's trying to go. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.